What is up, everybody? Guess what? Listen, one too many people have asked about this, and I don't have a wonderful machine to do this. I'm going to use this, a Sharpie, and I don't know, the will to live, some tape, and we are going to make a new one. Sound good? Let's do it. All right, so I took it out, Sharpie, razor, fritzers, knife cutter thing, and this is what I used as a template. This thing came from some raggedy old planner that for some reason I kept, and guess what? It's the thing. Yep, so we are making a page lifter, all right? Page lifter. This is the other thing I'm going to use. I don't know if it came with my other razor knife, but it's a cutting mat, and I don't really want to mess up my desk. So I'm going to take this, and this bad boy. All right, so I don't need both sides, that is for certain, but I need this side, and I am going to, because this has personalization, I'm going to make sure that the personalization is on there, and I'm happy with it. So we're gonna start right here in this corner, but I'm going to do it on the back because, you know why? Because I don't want, if there's any extra, extra business, any extra Sharpie, anything like that, I don't want it on my thing, okay? All right, enter my cutter. So I'm going to untape this puppy because now that is all I needed from that, okay? So we are just going to trim this one first. All right, so we have the right size. Perfect. Exit the cutter, enter the corner fixer. So I'm going to, see, is it L? It's got that shape right there. So I pop this puppy in there, lean on a little, no longer a sharp edge. That's what I'm talking about, right? Yes, that's what we need here. So I'll do all the corners. Yes, even the EC one, because then they just are all the same and I know it in my head. All right, so I didn't do that on this one because I just wasn't, I don't know, thinking all the way, remembering I had that, whatever. It just, nicey nice, right? And you're not gonna seriously have to get stitches from a nasty edge like that. All right, here comes the hard part. All right, so in the past, what I did was I cut, like I did the holes and then I did with this. So I would use a hole puncher and punch here and then just pull those out. But it was so hard to do, I had to get pliers. So I'm just gonna see, because this thing is new and will, like, if I shine it the wrong way at you, it'll cut your throat. So I'm going to see if I can hit this up here. I feel like everybody in the world just was like, girl, you're holding it wrong. Lesson learned, first time, won't do it again. Make sure the blade goes all the way through on the first pass. This one I struggled because it didn't, but look, it's that second one, took me like 2 seconds. That's the ticket. Make sure your blade is pressed hard enough. Is this easy? No, but you know what? Thug life, planner life, right? Okay. Whew, I did it. All right, so here's my question. Sorry about that. That was some ruckus there, huh? All right, so I wonder if I just go up to the hole there and punch it now, will it be like half normal? And just be like easy to do? So, check it out. Ta-da. Yep, it's that easy. I mean, no, it's not the thing I want to do, but dude, it totally works. Yes, EC, you need to make more freaking accessories here. Come on. Page lifters, dividers, that's just to start. The rest of the A5 stuff, I'm just shocked. I mean, I guess waiting for yet another release is good for business, okay? But, you know, my only problem is, like, I don't want to wait. All right, guys, so that was my hopefully quick little routine there. You just need to get something as a tracer. I'm sure that there are page lifter things. Check the description. If I find one, a template for a page lifter, maybe you could print out of a piece of paper, I will 100% do it. All right, guys, too long has gone by already. Good job, me. If you like this, share it, tell your friends. Sarah, SarPlans also has some really good videos. She used her Cricut or one of those things, one of those crafty cutters. Forgive me. She used it, all right? Instead of having like sweat and have an assistant wipe my brow, she used it. So if I can, I'll link that. And have a great freaking day. You guys are amazing. Subscribe, like it, tell your friends, and happy holidays. I know, my gift. Just full of gifts. Make good choices, guys. Be good people. Oh, and don't forget, right this second, these are 30% off. Yep, EC site, link below. 30% off. Black Friday sale, Cyber Monday, all that good stuff, but it's coming to a close, so watch this quick. Peace.